Are you ready to discover the most incredible places our planet has to offer in 2024? Today, I'll take you on a journey through the top 10 must-visit destinations that should be on every traveler's bucket list this year. Number 10, Santorini, Greece. This volcanic island paradise offers stunning sunsets, crystal-clear waters, and charming whitewashed villages that seem to float above the sea. Did you know that Santorini's unique landscape was formed by one of the largest volcanic eruptions in recorded history over 3,600 years ago? Number 9. Kyoto, Japan. The former imperial capital enchants visitors with its thousands of temples, traditional gardens, and the magical bamboo forests of Arashiyama. Kyoto is home to over 2,000 temples and shrines, making it one of the world's most spiritually significant cities. Number 8. Iceland. This Nordic island nation offers otherworldly landscapes, from massive glaciers and active volcanoes to the mesmerizing northern lights. Iceland sits on the mid-Atlantic ridge, making it one of the most geologically active places on Earth, with over 130 volcanic mountains. Number 7. Machu Picchu, Peru. This ancient Incan citadel, perched high in the Andes Mountains, remains one of the world's most mysterious and awe-inspiring archaeological sites. Built in the 15th century and abandoned during the Spanish conquest, Machu Picchu was hidden from the world for over 400 years until its rediscovery in 1911. Number 6. The Maldives. This tropical paradise consists of 1,200 coral islands offering pristine beaches, luxury resorts, and some of the world's best diving and snorkeling. The Maldives is the world's lowest-lying country, with its highest point just 2.4 meters above sea level, making it a truly unique destination. Number 5. Dubai, UAE. This ultra-modern metropolis in the desert showcases incredible architecture, luxury shopping, and ambitious engineering projects that defy imagination. The Burj Khalifa stands at 828 meters tall, making it the world's tallest building, with observation decks offering breathtaking views of the city and desert beyond. Number 4. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Often called the most beautiful island in the world, this South Pacific gem offers unparalleled natural beauty and romantic luxury. Bora Bora is actually an ancient volcano surrounded by a coral reef, creating the perfect lagoon that has captivated travelers for generations. Number 3. Kenya, Africa. Experience the ultimate safari adventure in this East African nation, home to the Great Migration and some of the world's most magnificent wildlife. The Great Migration sees over 1.5 million wildebeest and hundreds of thousands of zebras journey across Kenya and Tanzania in an endless cycle of life. Number 2. Norway's fjords. These natural wonders, carved by glaciers over millions of years, offer some of the most spectacular and pristine landscapes on Earth. The Norwegian fjords are UNESCO World Heritage Sites, with some reaching depths of over 1,300 meters below sea level. Number 1. Tokyo, Japan. The world's most populous metropolitan area seamlessly blends ancient traditions with cutting-edge technology, creating an unforgettable urban experience. Tokyo is home to over 37 million people and boasts more Michelin-starred restaurants than any other city in the world, making it a true cultural and culinary capital. These incredible destinations offer experiences that will create memories to last a lifetime, each with its own unique charm and wonder. Click on the link in the video description and you will find many essential travel products that will help you organize a happy trip for you and your family.